Nana. Here,
No, I'm gonna do it.
be careful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who's that?
Oh.
The Lego Movie.
Yeah.
And Caillou.
Oh, Caillou.
I mean, where's the, what happened to the,
What are you looking for? The other movie?
no, the Batman.
Oh, the Batman guy?
The Batman Lego? You want him?
Yeah. On the building.
Wow.
I want to have him. I want to play with him.
You have one more present.
Open and I can play with him.
Yeah.
Daddy, open this one for me. I want you to open it for me.
Okay.
All by yourself. So they can do.
What do you think this is?
Whoa.
Wow, look at that shirt. Look at that sweater.
Daddy,